This is the PS Vita 1000, and it has messed up charge port. It can charge, but it cannot transfer data. So we'll take it to the board repair to replace the charge port. But first we have to take out the board. Oh, and by the way, this is the 3G model. Let's unscrew back 4, bottom 2, and top 2 screws. Spudger. Lift the back plate, disconnect those 2 ribbons. Put the back plate aside. We'll remove SIM card reader and 3G antenna. Remove the ribbon. Disconnect camera. Unscrew. And disconnect shoulder buttons. So now I'll take this to the board repair so he can replace the charge port. I got the board back. But before I put it back in, I'm gonna clean the housing a little bit. We'll clean everything with a Q-tip. Finish cleaning. Now let's put motherboard back in. Now let's put screws back again. Put the back cover back on. And screw back again. Insert the memory card. Power it on. No drilling sounds. And we are done!